Welcome to it or welcome back. And any way you go, it's the Hold My Beer channel. Let's rock and roll. Let's go, baby. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's up, guys? It's your host, Worldwide Crumb. Got version 2.0 with me. Got Cash Money with me. We are rolling in the Gremlin. We are on the road. We're on the highway. We're about to go. We're gonna do something a little bit different today's episode. So we're gonna hang out with some family and friends. We're taking y'all along for the ride. Like, comment, subscribe. All right. I gotta watch the road, so I'll see y'all when we get to the destination, and then show you the surprise. Let's go. Guys, we made it to the destination. You know, me and 2.0, we're actually here at, we're here in,
Gainesville.
Yeah, we're in Gainesville, and we're at TC Detailing. I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm trying to give it to y'all. Hold on. I'm trying to give it to y'all. I'm messing up. All right, been here for doggone 30-something years, right? So we actually at my dad's shop. We got some vittles. We're taking the show on the road.
TC Detailing Automotive.
Yep. And hey, y'all know we always gonna do something. We either gonna grill, fry something, barbecue something. So today we're having a fish fry, and we're having a fish fry for family and friends, right? So we're getting our oil up to temp. We got our burner. You got 2.0 doing his thing. All right. We got everything you need to make it do what it do. So once we drop these bad boys off in this oil, we're gonna tap back in with y'all. All right. I appreciate you. Appreciate you. All right, guys. Again, we back here at TC's in Gainesville, Florida. We getting our mixture ready for our flour. Today, guys, we are actually gonna do a little bit of tilapia, and then we're gonna do some brim. Because we are in Central Florida. I grew up here. Although I live on the coast and we have a lot of saltwater fish, I grew up on freshwater fish. So again, we're doing some brim, mainly is what we're doing. So anyway, back to the concoction we're working on. Show y'all guys. Bam. Woo! Woo! So basically what we're rolling with, we have some flour. We have some cornmeal.
Something like that. We're gonna call it cornmeal.
You're gonna call it that,
Yeah.
And then we have kind of a homemade fish fry that's kind of proprietary. So we ain't gonna tell y'all the secrets and everything. But this
get it mixed up a little bit more.
We'll
It ain't mixed yet.
Yeah, it ain't mixed yet, guys. But this is how you do it. And take your time, cause you want to make sure your fish is everything you want it to be. So we're gonna get there, and then once we finish this and get it mixed up, you're gonna see the consistency of it all, how it looks, and ideally, it's gonna be the texture you want when you frying very, very good fish. I'm gonna go around your chef. And y'all know at the Hold My Beer channel, we give it to you raw and uncut. Raw and uncut. So you want to make sure everything is mixed well. Everything is. Sorry guys, we are at the shop. We're at the shop. I'm gonna come back to that, but I'm gonna show you the type of cars that happens or gets detailed here at TC Detailing. AMGs, big boy Denali's, all type of stuff like that. That's just what we're running, guys. All right. So anyway, back to what we got going on. So we're gonna keep getting our, I'm gonna call it flour mixture together. Again, it's proprietary to the Hold My Beer channel. All right. If you want to know the secret sauce or the recipe, like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Turn on all your notifications. That's what we're doing. 1602 Northeast Waldo Road, Gainesville, Florida. It's for my dad, y'all. Hey, I love this guy more than anything. If you were to see him, And obviously y'all seen 2.0. You be like, there's no question that's our dad and granddad. So anyway, love you guys. I ain't gonna mess with y'all no more. We're gonna see y'all when we drop these fish fillets in there and get ready to fry. Let's go. All right. Now, this is not for amateurs. This is not for beginners. Okay? Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. So now, we're about to fire up our burner and get our oil up the temp. Fire hole! Then we're gonna bring it up a little higher. And then guys, we're gonna wait and we're gonna come up the temp and then we're gonna be ready to fry. Yeah, we're gonna be ready to fry. You see that red dot? Once we hit that number right there, we're ready to go. So again, we out here, it's TC's, you know, exclusive stuff, regular day. You know, we're just hanging out, the guy and I, and we're here at Granddad's shop. Again, you see it up there, okay? 1602 Northeast Water Road. So again, guys, we would appreciate you if you were here in North Florida, in the Gainesville area, swing by, you know what I mean, tell them the Hold My Beer channel sent you. You may get a 5% discount. I can't guarantee it. I guarantee you get a 5% discount if you say you can't, y'all saw this on the Hold My Beer channel. So anyway, we'll let the oil get up the temp. We're gonna go and fellowship with our family and our friends and loved ones. And once this thing hits the red dot, we're gonna be ready to go. Tempo, let's go. All right, guys, we're back at it. Family and Friends Day here at TC's Detailing. It's your host, Hollywood Crumb. Some people might call me Tweety Bird. So, guys, show you what we got. Well, obviously, y'all seen this. So we have our seasoned flour mixture, is what I'm gonna call that. We have tilapia. We're going lemon pepper. Lemon pepper. As far as our oil choice for today, we're doing peanut oil. Okay? And because we're dealing with fish, all right, we're gonna drop these boys in here, or ladies, you know what I'm saying, in around 300 degrees thereabout, so it'll fry up, be nice and crispy, and we're gonna keep it pushing, all right? So don't worry about it, hold on to what you got. You see, we always hit the target, don't we? I told y'all we was gonna hit the target. Y'all see the red dot? The red dot, okay? We done hit the red dot. So let's get to it. Chef doing it, he battering them up. And y'all about to hear that signature sound, Jack. Hold on to your ass real quick. Hold my Beer channel, let's do it. Uno, dos, tres. Oh! 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 It gets no better, bitch. Oh! Look at that. And then what you do? You rinse and repeat. You rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat. So the first batch we dropping is tilapia. Then we're gonna come back and give y'all a totally different look with the brim. Okay. Basically, we're doing all freshwater fish today here in North Central Florida. Gainesville, to be specific, 1602 Northeast Waldo Road. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Let's go, Jack. Let's go, Jack. Let's go. Hold on to what you got. Let's go. Now the rest of this tilapia. Ooh. 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 Rest of them coming out. Crispy golden brown. I might call them or idle. And speaking of that, guys, we still have fries to do. We may do some grits, you know, because fish and grits go together. And then we still have some brim to do, all right? That's what's up next, Jack. So, hey, keep tapping in. Keep tapping in. Again, here, it's the Hold My Beer channel. We in North Florida today. You know, just hanging out, family and friends. You know, here at the old man shop. You know, thank God it's good. This shop's been here longer than I've been alive almost. For real. All right? For real. We these guys, I ain't gonna show y'all who they are, cause they shy. They camera nervous. They Shamrock Kai, but guess what? They been here as long as the shop's been open too. All right, they basically see me grow up from a little boy, and now they see me with my son and my wife. So it's pretty wild. It's pretty intense, man. So we appreciate you guys, love you guys. And then once we drop these brim in there, we're gonna show you the difference between the brim and the tilapia. That's what we're doing, family and friends. Yeah, let's go. All right, so now once we done ran through the tilapia, guys, now we about to go back with some brim. Again, we have some brim. These brim have a light coating of some seasoned salt, a little bit of Zatarain's, a little bit of Slap Your Mama. Obviously, I've discussed with y'all what's going on with our proprietary flour blend. Okay, and with the brim, what we're gonna do something a little bit different. We're gonna actually utilize the basket. We're gonna utilize the basket. Okay, and then once we get them all in there, you layer your fish, guys. All right, you don't want to just throw them in there like in a ball or a clump or anything like that right there. You want to layer them in there. So once you drop it down, okay, into your oil, everything fries evenly and nice. All right, now when you're dealing with freshwater fish, they're a little bit on the smaller side. Some people might say they are bonier. I don't care. It's what I like. I grew up on them, and I have a taste for them. Even though I stay on the coast, and I can get any type of fish I want in the world. You know, I want in the world. So I just lost my microphone. But basically, we're gonna rinse and repeat with this. And then once we drop this basket, I'm gonna show you guys how you do that. Let's go. So guys, hey man, you never know what you're gonna pipe into, tap in with. Big boy, now purchase down there. Obviously, y'all know on the channel, I got a small family. So one of these is, man, look here, man. This is like a horse for us. So we gonna grab one of these river cows, and it's going to Jacksonville with us, Jack. You hear me? That's what we doing. Look at that. Woo! Woo! Woo!
That's an alligator tail. $35
straight like that. All right. So we're gonna take maybe 1 or 2 of these home. That's what we're doing, y'all. We're gonna tap back in with it. Like, comment, subscribe. You never know what you're gonna get into when you're dealing with me, man. Worldwide Chrome. Let's go. Hold it. So now we got everything in the basket. You got these brim in there, and we about to do what it do. Watch this, guys. Ooh. Ooh. You lost in the sauce now, guys, ain't y'all? Y'all done got steamed up. You fogged that. You lost in the sauce. Lost in the sauce. Yep. Woo. Back at it. Guys, we back at it. Look at that. Look at this. Watch this basket. Hold it. Watch this basket. Let it do what it do. Let it do what it do. Let it do what it do. Look at that. This is fish, but it almost looks like chicken. I swear to God. If you say it don't, I'll smack you silly. I'll smack you silly. Look like damn leg quarters coming out of the Popeyes grease. I'll smack you silly. Say I won't. I'm capable of doing it. Yes, sir, Rebowski. Again, this is brim. Skin on, bones in. You know, me, skin adds flavor, bones adds flavor when you're dealing with fish. So guys, I appreciate y'all for rocking with us. Keep rocking with us. Every Sunday, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we're pushing these videos out. If you can, just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, like or something. Content takes time, content takes money, and you always know I appreciate you guys. Let's do it. And once we drop the grits in and the fries in, I'm gonna be back. Let's go. So guys, once again, I appreciate y'all. This has been Family and Friends Day, basically down here hanging out with my dad, hanging out with my aunts, hanging out with my cousins, hanging out with version 2.0. Jenny came and saw us, so it's the Home of Beer channel. Y'all know this is what we're about. We'll see y'all next Sunday at 6 p.m. They'll pop out. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on all your notifications, so when they do pop out, you get them. It's your host, Worldwide Chrome, Hollywood, Tweety Bird. Deuces.